There we go. It gotta be a redfish. Oh yeah. Yeah, snuck up on it. I think he's too big. Well, maybe he is pretty big. That ain't good. Come on, guys. Get out of the bushes. There you go. I don't need a redfish in a salad today. Just would rather have a redfish. There we go. All right. This is what these boys are known for. Diving and digging. It's a nice fish. Real nice fish. Got him underneath the snoot. Look at that. Look at that. This is a big fish. Jeez. Yep. I like the nose under the boat. I don't need them rubbing and breaking that line off under there. That old fish right there looks like he's about 26. Man, he might even be 28. That's somewhere there. This is a big honker right here. That's a nice. Look at that pretty color. All right. Nice redski. Well, let's see how big this old boy is. It's 24. That's a nice fish. Look at that color. Look at that color in the sun. Is that a nice fish? Look at it. He's got 3 spots on this side, and I don't know how many he's got on the other. But I need to put him back here in a second. That's a nice fish. On a topwater. All right, buddy. I'll let you go back and hang out in the pond. There you go. There we go, there's a snook. Alright. I'll tell you what. Picked a nasty day to come up here. We got all sorts of stuff coming off the Gulf up here. But, hey. Just keep flipping this lightning rod till I get zapped. Nice little snookster, about 22. On a topwater here, early in the refuge. A 21-inch snook. Up here early in the morning. I'm sitting here waiting to get zapped. I refuse to leave. Traveled 10 miles, I'm staying here and fishing. Nice line sider on topwater. There we go. Got him a second time. Nice snook. I'm back here in the bushes. I got weather that really stinks behind me. It's coming at me. Alright. Nice topwater bite on Mr. Snookster. Yeah. He's 22 or 23. Like I said, badonkadonk is what I'm using this morning. Up here early in the refuge, giving the fins a try. So far, a few, that ain't bad. Had to get back here in them bushes to get out of all this wind I've got coming off the Gulf. That's a nice fish right there. There's a 22-inch snook. I'm back up in here in these skinny creeks, and I'm up here in the bushes this morning. And lots of gnarly weather around me. That's a pretty fish right there on the top water. Alright, I'll go back and let you hang out in the creek. This morning out here in Parsons Bay. I've got a dead manatee, a youngster, and I got the cow right below it. You can see the female right below it. It's a terrible thing to see. Get back to the house, I'm going to have to call the Marine Patrol.